You probably saw the title and the thumbnail. Yes, today we have an unboxing of the brand new DJI Osmo Action 6, baby. Let's get this bad boy out, and here it is in its flesh. The brand new Osmo Action 6. We got the Osmo Action 6 right here. We got the little camera right there in the front. Some morning information. DJI on the side. A little information in the back. So yeah, there we go. Let's peel this off. And just open this bad boy up gently. Open this up. As you can see, here we have it. The Osmo Action 6. Got our accessory mounts. Here's the camera itself. So let's open this up, bad boy. Gently open it up. There we go. There we go. Slide that out. And there's the camera itself. Wow. The Osmo Action 6. Let's do a quick comparison to the Action 5. As you can see, it's a little bigger. There's the front. The screens are bigger. We got a new thing right here. They got rid of the Pro. But yeah, that's the new Action 6. So there is the Osmo Action 6. The accessories are just the regular accessories you get. You get the helmet mount with the screw to screw it in to your Osmo Action. So let's pop in the battery and let's see a startup. We are now in, so we're just gonna follow the instructions. Oh, we're recording. Sorry, my camera likes to bug out sometimes. So here it is. As you can see, I don't know if you guys could see that very well, but we're gonna swipe. It's just giving off all the instructions. It's basically the same as the Action 5. As you can see, same menu. If I were to grab my Action 5, oops, I was recording by accident. It's basically the same menu. We scroll up, and we scroll up, do it side by side. There you go. Same menu, same everything. So it looks like that hasn't changed. In that first, we just got a new mode. Is we got this hand now, and the old one does not have a hand. So I guess you could use hand gestures to control the camera now, which is something different. I don't know if you guys could see that. See if my camera will focus. There you go, this hand gesture right here. So yeah, you can do gestures control now to record. Okay, so let's see what new things they added to the Osmo. As we go to the settings, and let's see. Looks like they added a new feature called wireless earbuds. So now you can connect earbuds to your Osmo and get live audio straight from the camera to your earbuds, which is crazy. Anything else? We got it always on display, built-in mic backup, lock screen, bitrate, sound. So everything else seems to be pretty much the same. Nothing new besides the earbuds. So yeah, it looks like that's the only new settings we got on this camera. Oh yeah, we got time shooting. So yeah, the only new settings we got actually was the wireless earbuds. Everything else seems to be the same. So that is cool. That is cool. We will definitely have to give that a try and hook it up to some Bluetooth speaker and stuff. So yeah, that's basically it. Nothing else has changed. And yeah, and do stuff with the camera. So yeah, that's right there. This was just an unboxing of the Action 5. Well, okay, so this was just an unboxing of the Action 6. And let me know in the comments what would you like to see, and we'll go check it out. We'll check out what this thing does. You know what? What is this thing? I'm not sure, but I'll figure it out and I'll make a video on it. Let's see what that is. I'll see ya later.